welcome back to the van build. Today we're going to be working on some exterior upgrades by replacing and upgrading this awning right here. So this new awning that we got is going to be 13 feet across, so it'll cover the whole side of the van. One thing that's kind of nerve-wracking is online, the reviews. Some people have said that it'll take 30 minutes to install and like put together, and some people said that it took them like 6 hours.
Let's see how long it takes.
So you've seen all the pieces. How long do you think it's gonna take? Whoa. But what's your guess on this? Just to assemble it, not install it fully.
Oh, just to assemble it? 17 minutes.
Okay, I'm thinking 1.5 hours.
What?
Yeah.
That was really loud. It echoed in the forest.
And then I think to install it completely, it'll probably take another hour to install it.
Oh my
Or maybe 2.
God.
My total guess for the whole thing from starting when we started the timer to the point of where it's on there and we're actually cranking it open, 4 hours.
Ah, it's so hot today.
There you go.
All we did was put screws in it, a first step, and we already passed 17 minutes, so.
Yeah, how did you think this was gonna be done in 17 minutes?
I don't know.
Okay.
He shouldn't be asking me these things. I'm terrible at guessing.
That's true. But it's for the fun of it.
I know. It's lunchtime, so I'm gonna make some sandwiches while Jesal continues this.
I got this.
You got this.
So while I'm unfolding this, might as well explain why we chose this awning. We got this awning since it just like unrolls easily. It doesn't need supports and stuff. We were having issues with that in the past with our other awning, and it caused it to break. And the main reason is we saw someone on the road that had one of these on their trailer. And so they saw our awning and they actually told us, hey, what happened? You know, you guys should get one of these. They really liked it. So based off of that recommendation, we ended up with this. All right, Sonia's here with sandwiches, so we're gonna pause right here. Yeah. The timer, we're gonna pause the timer too, because I don't think it's fair to count that time. Just finished lunch. Sun's starting to get really hot, so I'm gonna move the setup to be in the shade a little bit more. Okay, we left off with putting this canvas thing on. Now I just need to tighten the screws. Now we just need to install it to the van. Okay, assembly is complete. Oh, no, did I do this wrong? This doesn't seem right. Oh, this is backwards. I was gonna say let's call time.
What's backwards?
This front piece needs to be flipped around.
Oh no. How big is this work? How big is this job then?
Like 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
Okay.
I don't know. I was gonna say let's call time on it. It's almost time for installation, but nope. Nope,
Dang.
did this wrong.
That's okay.
Shoot.
We'll do it.
Yeah, that's the rough, yeah.
It's 1 hour and 43 minutes.
Oh, okay. So this thing is flipped the wrong way around. I don't know if it makes sense, but basically, hold on. Basically, this needs to be on the other side. So in order to do that, I have to undo all these bolts.
Dude.
Take this off, take the canvas off, flip the thing, and then redo all that stuff. So it's kind of annoying. I'm gonna quickly do that. But also, look, I'm like sweating. It's 102 degrees out here. Check this out. 101.8. It's 108 inside. This outside sensor is in the shade on the back of the van. So it's really hot. That's why I'm like sweating. But someone is here to help me?
Yeah.
Who, you or Luna?
Luna.
Oh, okay. Look at this, I got the whole thing put back together. The only thing I did wrong was trusting these instructions. And suddenly part F, this frilly thing, is over here on this side. So these instructions were bad. And then that's why it caused me to flip it around, because I followed the instructions, set to put it there. It should have gone somewhere else. I should have known better.
I stopped the timer and it took us 2 hours and 40 minutes.
And how much,
to
like
install.
an hour of that was just...
To redo the mistake. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, but it's done.
It's
all
done.
assembled the correct way now. And I think next is just...
Putting it on there.
Taking the old awning off and then putting this on. Okay, how long do you think this is gonna take? No, the whole installation, starting from as soon as we start
taking this down
and putting up the new one.
Oh, don't make me guess. I can't guess. I guess.
Well, you have to guess
because
storm clouds are rolling in, so better be done before that.
I don't know, 17 minutes.
I think it's gonna take about an hour and a half
To put it on there?
to take this off and put it up there.
I don't know if that much strength and stamina.
All right, let's get started. Out with the old and in with the new. Look how much bigger this is. The way that the awning is going to attach is we have brackets. There's 3 of them that hold the actual awning, and this part goes onto the van. This bracket goes here. This thing goes right there. So this allows this to go in and then a nut to hold on.
We didn't film it, but we went back and we added Loctite to all of the bolts. You think it's been 17 minutes?
It's maybe. We didn't beat the rain, it's raining now, but we're so close. The awning's on there. It's raining now. The sad part is we won't be able to test it until afterwards. But we're gonna stop the timer here because I think it's successfully installed.
Yay!
We'll continue tomorrow with more outdoor upgrades.
It's a beautiful day out today, nice and sunny, so we're gonna test out the awning.
So while Sonia opens this awning, I wanted to explain a little bit of how this works. It's got this pole that Sonia hooks on, and then you just extend it out, and it's self-supported with these kind of like arms underneath, and that's it. That's how easy it is.
So much easier than our last one that broke.
It's gonna be great, and so here's some details. It's 13 feet across, which covers like the whole body of the van, and it can come out this way 8 feet, and it doesn't have to. It can be like 4 feet, so you can stop it there, and that's fine, or it can go all the way out, which you want to stop right around there.
Yeah.
And there we go. We got so much shade over here. What do you think? This works great.
So awesome.
No supports necessary, and that's it. That's how easy it'll be.
Brilliant idea of stitching these Velcro straps, so that way when we take it off the awning cover, it doesn't, you know, fall off, we don't lose it. And she was so nice to offer to try to stitch it for us, so thank you so much, Kathy.
This one was already ripping.
Oh my gosh.
And so I whipped it and then reinforced it, and then I went back to the other side and I said, let me just put a strip in there.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Yeah, so I just know I've had too many things ripped before,
Yeah.
so it's like, I'll go ahead and fix it
Oh
now.
my gosh,
well, thank you for making this. This is awesome.
You're welcome.
To see, look how she did all the work.
It's gonna be awesome.
It's so tight. This is perfect.
Yeah. Look at that. It looks awesome. The cover, it's all stitched on. Thank you. Yay! Hearts.
Putting up the awning doesn't stop here. We're also gonna add LED lights.
This is the controller for the LED lights. We got color changing ones. So we're just gonna hook everything up and put the lights out here. And the wires actually come from the roof. And we put those wires in when we made the whole rooftop deck. So that was in foresight of being able to do this. And we also have a switch inside already wired up, ready to go. Welcome to the roof of Turtle. We've got all the wiring stuff set up here. A lot of this, I pre-wired it before we got off on this journey. Basically what I'm gonna do is there's some connections here that will go over and power the awning lights. Then I have lights over here. These ones that are gonna, you know, that illuminate this side. I'm gonna add some more on this side, the back, the light bar. And we're gonna add some lights up here too. That'll be pretty cool. All the wires that go up here. 4 lights on this side, another 4 on this side. We got these lights down here, 2 of them, 1 here, 1 there. Only thing left to do is the light bar in the front. Yeah, and we've been sleeping with it in the van since we started our trip in our bed. So now we can sit me installed up here. It's one of those things where I have to get this nut in underneath from behind this, and it's like my hand is
You
too.
need my hands?
I don't think I can do it. My hand is too big.
We had to extend the solar panels for Jesal to be able to fit the wrench in there.
This is like one of the worst things because I'll never be able to get this off. But yeah, like a couple clicks at a time. 1. Yeah, it's 1 at a time.
At least it's grabbing it.
Yeah, it is.
Got this one. Good job, Jesal.
Ready?
It's nice and strong.
Yeah. The best part is we're not gonna sleep with this anymore in our bed.
Yay!
How's that look?
It looks good. Ooh. Looks epic. What do you think, buddy? It's good? We're testing to see if the lights will turn on.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's on! Dance party!
Here's the old awning. It's still a little bit broken, so it's not really super functional, but it was on the other side, and now we're gonna put it on this side. So if we want to still fix it up and use it, then we can, or we can use it as a movie screen like we've done before, which doesn't require it to be fixed. So I think
we
it'll still
have
be
it. We might as well just put it up.
Yeah. All
Good
done.
job.